What's going on, guys? I got a 2024 Ford F-150 Atlas Blue XL package for you guys today. This is not stock. We did do some upgrades to it. We have one of our vendors that added some 22-inch wheels, wider tires in the back, 5-spoke. I'll go ahead and zoom into them in a little bit. This is the Atlas Blue, one of my favorite colors for these F-150s. As you can tell, when the sun hits it, it looks lighter. When it's on the shade, it looks a little darker. It's a nice truck. Ford did update it for this year, 2024, although it still has that 5.0. So that V8 is still an option. Check these wheels out. 5-spoke. It's the right size, the right setup for this truck. This is not stock. It does have a 4/6 drop IHC suspension. Check it out. They did a new front end here. It's pretty sleek. Look at this, especially with the black wheels. Man, that housing, look at all that. The housing goes in beneath the bezel. It's crazy. This is an XL version without any of the upgrades. It's $38,000 MSRP, single cab. Does have the nice transmission. A ton of power, guys. Check this out. That is freaking awesome. All right, check out the window sticker on this, guys. 2024 regular cab. MSRP right down there. It does have a couple of things. So it has wheels, lowering kits, exhaust, bed liner. So it's got the spray on bed liner right back there too. We'll go ahead and pop that down. This is one of my favorites because the package it has, not just because of the wheel, the drop, but check this out too. Corsa exhaust. Wait till we fire this one up. Got its backup camera right back here. You can still tow. Spray on bed liner. Line X, of course. Got some space back there. Tie down points. Bottle opener right over here. 38,000, guys. You can't go wrong. It's a truck. This blue is radical. Personally, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Right over here. Fuel tank. Easy fuel, of course. Pop the inside. Check this out. You do have blind spot monitor. 2024. Even on the base model, which is this one. Pretty simple inside. The aesthetics are neat, but it doesn't have leather, it doesn't have any fancy packages. Cloth seats. You do have some space in the back, little to none, in case you have, some things, or you want to move your seat back, you can still do that. Go ahead and have a seat. Check out the inside. You got a couple of buttons, big old display. This is the massive upgrade right here. They all come standard with the screen now. Massive screen, navigation. Let's go ahead and turn it on. This is an underrated feature, the big knobs right over here. You can't miss it for your AC. It's a hot, warm day here in Stockton, California. But you have your AC controls right over here. You can turn it off. You've got this right over here, so you can change that. There it is. Calm display for all your music, USB, which you've got charging options right down here. You've got different drive modes, meaning that this one's got next to no gas, but there you go. You got different drive modes. Lock the diff, lock the rear, sorry. Drive modes right over there. Check that out. Normal everyday driving. You've got slippery, trail mode. If you go to the opposite side, you have towing, so you can use the engine trailer to help brake. You keep going to the right. You've got a couple different driving modes. Economy mode, so a little less throttle response. AC's blowing a little less cold. You move it over to the left side and you've got sport mode, so the transmission shifts at a higher RPM. Car feels ultimately faster. It does make a big difference right over here. So you turn it off, you turn it on. Take the display, opens up. You've got Sirius XM, you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, all wireless. You've got a couple of different features right back over here for your driver assistance. Navigation, so that's that little screen over there. You can make it bigger. You've got your Bluetooth, you've got different audio, so you double click that. So you've got sources, FM, AM, Sirius XM, which comes free with the brand new truck. You got Bluetooth audio as well. You've got this little button right over here you can click. That's for your backup camera. Turn it off. You've got auto start and stop. In case you don't want it to turn off at a light, you can go ahead and turn that off right over here. In case traction control. In reality, it's for a different reason, safety. But in case you ever feel like buying new tires, you just turn that off. I mean, you don't have to turn it off. It still does it, but you've got a couple of different things going on over here. Right there, a couple power outlets. You've got a big old box. That's the space that you have right next to you. There it is, in case you ever have to change your flat tire. It's pretty simple, nice. You've got your lights right up top. Oop, LED, great. You've got this right over here, so in case you want to lift it up, got a little bit more space. But yeah, that's kind of it, guys. As far as inside, you do have manual transmission mode. You've got to select from different gears. You can click that and you can shift first, second, third, fourth gear, whatever you want to do. You've got your cruise control right over here as well. Lane departure alert, so your lane keeping system is on or off. A volume right over here. A couple of other display settings that you can mess with. See right over here. Calm view, trip settings, fuel economy, tire pressure. There's a couple of other things you can always play with. You can click menu, which leads you to here. My menu, trip. So a few options right over there. Great little truck. That Corsa exhaust, you can listen to it a little bit. Big difference from stock sound. I personally think it sounds great. I love it. I like it. Brings it back to life. That Corsa exhaust on the side pipe, it makes it sound like the truck has a cold air intake, which it doesn't, but it makes it sound like it. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. See, stock under the hood, stock air filter, stock 5.0. You got your battery right over here, windshield wiper fluid, your coolant. Everything is all stock, but it's amazing that this 5.0 is still an option on a regular cab that, you know, for around 50,000 you can finance this and get, I mean, this is show truck ready type of thing. It's pretty neat, but I wanted to make a quick video, let you guys know we offer these trucks. We have financing available. We ship all over the US if we have to. You give me a call directly. You let me know what you're looking for. If we don't have it, I can more than likely build it for you. We have a couple of these that come in stock right now. We have a gray one. We have a couple of other work trucks. We've got a pretty big inventory. Yeah, and this guy is, by the way, it's our side lot. We have another 150 parked in our main lot. This is another 150, maybe 120 cars back here. All of our trade-in vehicles, cars that we buy from auction that are going to get ready. A couple of Bronco Sports that are brand new, Ford trucks. We've got a couple of crew or super cabs, and we've got our Super Duties right back there. We've got our work trucks right over there. So we are one of the bigger in the western side of the US. You guys let me know what you need. If we can't get it, we'll find it. We'll build it for you. It'll take a few months. But yeah, again, this is one of my personal favorite. Love it. It's a great setup, and it's going to be ready. It's actually ready for sale here at your local Big Valley Ford here in Stockton. Just give me a call. I'll put my info in the bottom, and yeah, we'll see you guys next time. See ya.